So today we can see how we can easily add this type of buttons in our presentation slide. So we just first calculate how many buttons we want to add in our presentation. So here we can calculate that 1 2 3 4 5 6. So we basically work with 5 slides or 5 buttons because of 5 buttons we basically need 5 slides. And about us, this section is we don't need it, and if you need it, if you need that, you just create by your own. So if you know how we can create one button and one slide, then you can add so many other options also. So let's start our first session. So today we just added 5 buttons. So we open our slide and we just delete it, and here we added some buttons. So we go to home button, and here first we just margin our slide. So view, you just go to the view option. Here you can find the ruler. So I click on the ruler and you just click the guides. So just click on this tab and upper this side, and just, so this is basically a ruler option and we create it. Secondly, what we do that we just click on the rectangle shape and we add some buttons options here. You don't need to click so many times here to edit the rectangle shape so many times. You just simply click the first slide and you just press Control Shift and drag and drop it the right side, and again drag and drop it right side, again drag and drop it right side, again drag and drop it right side. So you can see that these rectangle shapes are not in different forms, they are all in similar styles and similar shapes and in similar order. So you can just click Control plus Shift so that you can easily edit that side by side easily. You don't need to repeat the same actions to edit the rectangular shape. So I added here 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 buttons we added, and we just added our logo up to the shape. So we just click on the pictures and logos option. So this is basically here. I added some text buttons. Again Control Shift. So here 1, here 2, here 3, and here 4. So I click on the first button. Here I write home button. This is my home button. This is my, I can say it, food blocks. Here I can write tag blocks. Here I can write art blocks. And here I can write images. So this is basically, and we just need to similar our logos color and our slide colors. So we don't need to fill every by particular option. Here we can find in one option that eyedropper. So we just need this color in our rectangular shape. So we just shape fill eyedropper here and we choose this color, and you can see our slide button is just same. Again we just click on the second and fill the others also. So we added this, and this is our home button, and we just change this color and we drag it here. So we added our 5 buttons here, and this is basically we need I need that I want to keep it as home button. So I added my text option. I delete this slide because I don't needed this slide now. I click on this slide and I enter this slide here. So you can see that my ruler options are also here. I don't need it to add it by particular or several times. So I need it to keep it as my first slide. So I just copy paste it. First we need to group this slide. So we just easily keep Ctrl G to group that, and in our next slide we don't need this, so we deleted this. And we just paste our copy paste, copy paste. So in our next 4 slides we like this. What happen if we choose all towns? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So till now we just work with 3 slides, and we just added a new slide here, blank slide. So we go to the first option. So this is basically how we done, and this is our third part of this video, and for the further sessions we will work with slide 4. So you are invited to see this our next video, slide 4. Thank you.